Listen, when it comes to filing back taxes, waiting makes everything worse. Most people think filing back taxes just involves paperwork. It's not paper pushing. Unfiled tax years are one of the fastest ways to turn a manageable tax problem into a civil audit, a collection crisis, or even a criminal tax investigation. And the biggest mistake taxpayers make? They wait. Or worse, they start to guess. If you have unfiled tax returns, this video truly matters to you. To the IRS, a bunch of unfiled returns don't look merely like procrastination. They start to look like intentional behavior. Missing tax years trigger red flags, income mismatch alerts, automated substitute for return assessments, penalties calculated with no deductions in your favor. Once that happens, the IRS isn't asking you if they owe. They're deciding how much you owe and how aggressively they're going to go about collecting. At that point, the numbers are no longer neutral. Whatever you do, don't listen to anybody that says just file it. That can backfire. Many taxpayers are told, just file the old returns and it'll all go away. That advice is flat out dangerous. Filing back taxes without proper strategy can lock in inflated tax liabilities, trigger audits across multiple tax years, create written criminal tax admissions you can't take back later on. Can also escalate a civil issue into a criminal one. Once a return is filed, it becomes evidence. That's why how you file matters just as much as when you file. Back taxes can turn criminal when the IRS believes that there is willfulness to your non-filing. That can include a repeated pattern of non-filing returns, cash basis income that wasn't reported, offshore accounts for crypto activity that wasn't reported, prior warnings were ignored. The moment criminal intent is suspected, your case can be referred to the IRS criminal investigation folks. And once that door opens, your options shrink fast. Why a CPA alone here is not enough. This is where many people make their most expensive mistake. The CPAs are excellent at calculations, but CPA communications are not privileged. Emails, drafts, explanations, work papers, all of it can be subpoenaed. If the IRS criminally investigates you, your accountant can and will become government witness number one against you. That's not protection. You're creating unnecessary exposure. Here's where a dual licensed tax attorney and CPA like myself can change the entire dynamic. Hiring me allows strategy before filing to take place, risk assessment made under attorney-client privilege, controlled disclosures, and, when necessary, correct use of voluntary compliance programs. Also, defense planning in case the IRS escalates the issue. This isn't about hiding, it's about fixing the problem without creating a worse one. So in closing, if you have unfiled tax returns, don't guess, don't be in a rush, and do not let fear dictate your next move. Handled correctly, back taxes can ordinarily be resolved without risking criminal tax prosecution. Handled poorly, they could wreck your financial future and cost you your very liberty. Reach out to the tax law offices of David W. Clausing. We are dual licensed tax attorneys and CPAs, and this is exactly the kind of work we do.